In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media icon and link to your Typeform using a statement block. Start by opening your browser on your computer. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the page loads, log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and open the form where you want to add the social media icon. If you have multiple forms, make sure you're selecting the correct one so the change appears where you expect. Inside the form editor, look for the option to add new content. Click the button labeled plus add content. From the list of content types, choose statement. A statement is perfect for adding a piece of text and a visual element that doesn't require the visitor to answer anything, making it ideal for a social media follow prompt. With the statement selected, locate the image option, usually represented by a small picture icon. Click that image icon to open the upload window. Now navigate to the social media icon file on your computer, such as a Facebook or Instagram logo, and upload it. For the cleanest look, a high-quality PNG with a transparent background usually works best. Try to use an icon that's easily recognizable and not too detailed so it stays crisp and clear within the form. After the image appears in your statement, you can add a short line of text if you'd like. In the statement text area, type something simple and direct, for example. Follow us on Facebook, https://facebook.com/yourpage. Keep the message brief and friendly, and make sure the link you paste is correct and publicly accessible. If you prefer, you can customize the wording to match your brand voice, but aim for clarity so visitors immediately understand what to do. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information, just link to your public social page. When you're happy with the image and text, click Save. This stores your changes in the form editor so the new statement with the social media icon is part of your form content. If you need to reposition it later, you can return to the editor and adjust the placement to fit your flow. That's it. You opened your browser, went to typeform.com, logged in, opened your form, added a statement, inserted your social media icon, optionally included a link in the text, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your audience a simple, polished way to connect with you on social media right from your Typeform.